Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Never miss when a site visitor submits a form on your Wix site by setting up an email notification that's automatic. So let's get started. Go to your site's dashboard and on the left, go to Automations. Click on Create Automation here. And to make things easier and faster, we can choose a template. So select the Get an Email when a form is submitted automation and click Setup. You'll now be taken to the Automations editor, and your automation will also automatically be named. Now that our trigger and our action has been selected, the only thing left for us to do is to set up our action details. Click on your Send an Email action and set things up here on the left, such as your sender details. And if you wish to edit the email itself, click on Edit here, and you'll be taken to the email editor. If you wish to edit the contents of your email, then go ahead and do so. Just be careful not to change the dynamic elements over here. If you, in case, would like to add further elements, you can do so here on the Add Element section. And if you want to change its theme, you can go to the Themes button. And if you'd like to design it, you can go to Background and design it however you want to. Once you're done, you can preview and test it. And once you're done testing it, you can click on Save and Continue to go back to the Automations editor. Once you're done setting up your email, you can set up the other remaining things here, such as your email attachments, email type, and recipients. Make sure to set these things up according to your needs and preferences. For your recipients, you can select a specific role who's going to receive this email notification. So you can click on Add Recipients here or remove this one if you need to. You can go to Collaborator Roles and select which collaborator or contacts you'd like to be notified whenever a form is submitted. Once you're done selecting, click on Save. Make sure to review all of your details here on the left. There should be no room for mistakes. Once it's all good, click on Apply and click on Activate to start running your automation. And your automation is now active. And that's it. That's how you create an automated email notification for whenever your site visitors submit to your form. We hope this video was helpful, and if it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.